Welcome back. We're going to write equation or inequality. First one, the sum of twice the number d and 3 is. This tells us we need to write equation. Equation is equal sign. Sum tells us we need to add it. And then we're going to look for our two quantities. This is our first quantity. Twice the number is 2 times d. Next one is 3 is 15. We're done with the first one. Next one, 6 less than 5 times the number q is 60. So our first quantity is 6. Next quantity is 5 times number q. So we have 6. We have a 5 times number q, so 5q, and is 60. And we're going to use equal, and we're going to use 60. All right, 6 less than 5 times the number q, which means 5q going to stand first. I'm 6 less than you. It's kind of like two people. The first person, you're 5 feet tall, and I'm 6 inches shorter than you. Therefore, you're going to use the first person, 5 feet tall, and minus 6 inches. Same concept here. Therefore, we put a 5q minus 6, not 6 minus 5q. All right, let's look at next example. Let's erase some of them, make it clear for you. All right, next one, the product. All right, we immediately think about we're going to multiply. Of 9 and number z, 1 is 9, 1 is number z, is at least, oh, here's the keyword, at least. At least means we're going to use greater than or equal to. All right, let's go back. First one is 9. Next one is z, and then it's 36. And you don't have to write this raised dot here. You're going to simplify. You say 9z is greater equals 36. You do not have to solve it because you're writing an equation on inequality. All right, next one. Let's look at this. The difference, I think there's a typo here. The difference of, the difference of 20 and the number w is less than 47. Okay, this time we do difference. Difference means we have two quantities. I'm going to subtract it. My first quantity is 20. My next quantity is w. And our keyword is less than. Is less than. Not less than equal to. So just this symbol is less than 47. That's it. And next one, next practice. Is this a solution? It gives you z minus 4 equals 9. It tells you z is 12. Let's check it. We're going to substitute 12 for z. 12 minus 4. Is it 9? 12 minus 4 is not 9. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 is not 9. Therefore, we say no, not a solution. All right. Last question. We're almost done here. Last question says 2x minus 4 is greater than 12. Give you x is negative 2. Remember, you're going to substitute negative 2 for x. So we're going to say 2 times negative 2 minus 4. Is it greater than 12? All right, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4, that's negative 8. Negative 8 is greater than 12. It's false. Therefore, we say not a solution. We are done here. Happy learning.